Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about the squeeze page setup. Now, regardless of what page building system you're going to be using, you're going to be asked to connect your autoresponder and you're going to ask to connect some kind of giveaway or report here. And the key in making this work for the entire sales funnel is once again going to be consistency. You are going to write a headline, and so that headline needs to be consistent with the theme that you're going to be talking about throughout your funnel. You want to bring people into the funnel based on solving the problem that you're going to be talking about throughout your sales funnel when they do actually buy. You'll notice here that the optimized press page building system allows you to put a logo here. But does the logo necessarily keep people on theme? Is that going to matter to people who actually want to solve a specific problem? And this is going to be the case where you might decide to take this logo out. You might even decide to put the header in, or at least the same color header that the rest of your sales funnel is going to be. You're going to have the opportunity to change the text on the button. And once again, now, do you want to get instant access, or is that necessarily going to be important to the person that actually wants to solve the problem? When you can, you want to make a connection between the solution to the goal, to the dream, or wherever it is that your customer is actually going to be trying to get to, and what you actually put on this button. Once again, the consistency is going to be important, and you don't necessarily want to just focus on the actual words. So once again, we talk about webinars. It's not just about webinars. It's webinars that help us to get to the goal. If the goal in our product funnel is going to be to make sales on autopilot, then we want to talk about that someplace in this button. But if the goal is to set up webinars, then that's when we're going to use the word webinar. So again, we are focusing on the theme that we're going to be using every place on the setup page. Now, we are also going to get the opportunity in some cases to write some additional copy here as to what the person is going to receive once they get our giveaway. Now, once again, when we do this, we're talking about the benefits and what life is going to look like once they actually get their problem solved. We are going to be talking about what the guide is going to actually do. So we're still staying on message. We're still staying on theme. This is going to come back to one of the reasons why you want to design your funnel first, and then come back and design some of the materials. This is going to be consistent with the theme as well as what your product is going to do eventually once they've gone through the process and then they've actually made the purchase. And we have two choices when we actually opt in the person. We can actually send them to a thank you page that's going to tell them to check their email, or we can send them direct to an offer from here. And once again, this is going to be something that you're going to want to test to see which is going to get you the most sales, which is going to drive people deeper into your marketing funnel. Now, in the next video, we're going to be talking about that sales page, but you can actually put in here so that as soon as a person puts their name and email address in, they're going to be sent the confirmation, and then we decide what they're going to see next. And in most cases, we're going to go ahead and put the thank you page in here. But in some cases, you might want to have them see an offer, because if you're using double opt-in, they may or may not opt in. They may or may not complete the process. Unless they really want our giveaway, we may or may not get to see them or speak to them any other time. So this might be the only time to put the best offer in front of them. Once again, this is going to have to be a test as to which one is going to work better for you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.